All right, number 2 from the quiz on chapter 8 here. Another simplified question. And again, we're just going to factor and cancel. So both of these are trinomials with 3 parts. And so we're going to make them into 2 little binomials. For the top part, we need n and n for the n squared. And then they have to multiply to positive 30 and add up to negative 11. Okay, this means there's 2 negative ones that I'll still multiply to positive 30 and add up to a negative, and then it should just be 5 and 6. And again, make a big list of things that multiply to 30 if you're not sure. On the bottom, n and n, and then 10 and negative 7. So again, we're going to need 2 negatives because that'll multiply to positive 10 and add up to negative 7. And then for 10, our only choices are 1 and 10, 2 and 5. So the pair that'll give us negative 7 is 2 and 5. Now the fun part, just cancel out. So go zoom, zoom, take those 2 out. So what we're left with is n minus 6 over n minus 2. That's all that's left. That's our simplified version. All right, hopefully that helps.